Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pretty and I post about travel vlogs, which include activities and adventures. As you can see, we are at Ikea and with my best friend Trisha. The reason we are here today is because I've just moved houses and we're going to make over my entire room. And we're going to see you inside. So guys, this is what it looks like inside. It is so nice, as you can see that, and here are some jars, as you can see, and here is a whole orange colored room. So the walls are all like a dark orange with a sofa, and this is like the study room, and look at that painting, it is so cool. And then there is a desk there and a whole pinboard. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. So here is a whole nother room. As you can see, this one is the dining room with green, and one person or family allowed in our room setting at one time. As you can see, that is the COVID restrictions, and it is a huge table, as you can see, and it's like a whole dark green themed, and it's quite nice. And then we have a kitchen on this side. As you can see, no waiting in this area. That means you cannot wait, but yeah, and look at it, it is so nice. It has a concrete at the top, and then the cabinets. The top cabinet is wood, the bottom is white, so it has a really nice effect. And in this room is like a living room slash chilling area place with a desk as well. Here's the sofa, it's quite different, and it's a whole yellow, grey, white theme, as you can see, and there's a painting which says "Be You," and on that side it's like a whole arty room and all. And this is the I guess balcony they call it in that. But yeah, it is nice actually. It's quite different, and yeah. Guys, look at this bedroom. It's like a whole kind of like blue beachy vibe. As you can see, it says explore, which is very nice, and then there's a whole and picture, which is very cool, and the theme of this room is greys, blacks, whites, then blues, and all like those colors. And it also has a bathroom, which is quite simple, like a white brick splash bag there, and like a shower. There are some pots there as well, all white, and a mirrored cabinet, which also looks nice. And then there's like the shelving bit in the corner, and the toilet, and a painting. And here's the bed. I really like it because it has like a cozy blue vibe, which if you didn't know, blue is my favorite color. So there you guys know, blue is my favorite color now, and I'm obsessed with blue. So I really like this room, and it's like a whole explore, dreams, travel type of vibe. So that's one of the reasons I really like it. And this is the wardrobe, I guess. It's like just an open one, and there's a mirror, as you can see. And there are more wardrobes here. There's this mirrored one, as you can see, and that is the whole room with another mirror and a drawer. Guys, look at these pillowcases. So there's this khaki green one, a butterfly one, and also this like turquoisey, like greeny blue type of pillowcase, which is a really nice color. And these are like some chairs, as you can see, and also a side table there. So yeah, because we are in the sofa section, and guys, look at this coffee table. It's glass and has 4 sections and is really cool. So here are a variety of different sofas, and here are some trays, as you just saw, and those are some sofas. That one is a red sofa, and then we have this grey sofa, and as you can see, and look at the yellow sofa and the black sofa. My theme of my bedroom is going to be like all planty and stuff. And then I've got these flowers, which I'm hoping to find a pot later. I've got these candles just because I need candles. And I've got these just for my kitchen. So guys, I've got this tray which I'm going to think of something to do for Mother's Day. And so it's this tray, and then you could put lots of stuff in it. And then the next thing I've got is these grey plant pots, which I love planting. I love flowers, so I got these plant pots. And actually, I got another 3 plant pots, which are gold, and they are so cute.